In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings and there scroll down all the way until you find passwords. And now here you have to confirm your Face ID first. And now you get access to all your saved passwords. If you ever logged on Instagram with that device, you can hit there on search icon and enter Instagram. And now there, let's see how many accounts of Instagram I logged on that device. And now I can watch a password for any of that account. Let's say I wish to do it for that account, and there all I have to do is hit on this dots icon. When I will hit on that icon, the password will show up and I can copy that, and after that log with that password to that specific Instagram account. And also here you can hit on delete password to forget that password for that specific account. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.